Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Pantene Shampoo and Conditioner Set, a daily moisture renewal hair treatment specifically designed for dry, color-treated hair. This duo promises long-lasting hydration and nourishment, all packed in generous 27.7 FL Oz pump bottles. The Pantene Daily Moisture Set features a shampoo and conditioner that works together to cleanse, nourish, and hydrate your hair. It's formulated with Pro-V nutrients, ensuring your locks receive the care they deserve. This affordable hair repair solution delivers salon-quality results, allowing you to achieve healthy, smooth, and manageable hair without breaking the bank. Using this product was a breeze. The pump bottles make it easy to dispense just the right amount, and the shampoo lathers beautifully, effectively removing dirt and impurities. The conditioner glides on effortlessly, leaving my hair feeling soft and moisturized. After a few washes, I noticed a significant improvement in manageability, with my hair becoming noticeably smoother and easier to style. Performance-wise, this set truly shines. The shampoo cleanses thoroughly without stripping away moisture, while the conditioner provides deep hydration. I put this duo to the test after a week of heat styling and color treatments, and I was impressed by how well it restored my hair's vitality. My hair felt softer and looked shinier, showcasing the effectiveness of this nourishing treatment. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the set delivers on its promise of hydration, is safe for color-treated hair, and has a refreshing fragrance that combines wild berries, floral notes, and vanilla. However, a potential downside could be that those with very fine hair may find it a tad heavy. In comparison to similar products on the market, the Pantene set stands out due to its quality and affordability. Many high-end brands charge significantly more for similar results, making this a solid choice for those on a budget. If you're considering alternatives, brands like OGX and Herbal Essences offer good options at a lower price point, though they may not have the same nutrient-rich formula. As for value for money, this set offers excellent hydration and quality at a reasonable price, especially considering the size of the bottles. The build quality is also impressive, with sturdy pump dispensers that make usage convenient. User-friendliness is a highlight here. The pump design eliminates mess and provides control over the amount used. Throughout my testing, I had no issues, and the product performed consistently. Customer support from Pantene has also been responsive in past experiences, ensuring any queries are addressed promptly. Real-world testing revealed that my hair maintained its softness and vibrancy well beyond 72 hours, which aligns perfectly with their claims. I didn't experience any unwanted residue or greasiness, which is often a concern with moisturizing products. In terms of updates, I didn't find any recent changes to the formulation, so you can expect the same trusted performance from this set. To wrap it up, I highly recommend the Pantene Shampoo and Conditioner Set for anyone looking to hydrate and nourish dry, color-treated hair. It's especially suitable for those who seek salon-quality results at home. If you're someone who regularly styles your hair or battles dryness, this duo could be your new best friend. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you found this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think.